Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, so today's video is going to be super interesting because in this video I am going to talk about how you can learn English by sitting at home or by using your phone as I learned. But by the way, here I would say, to be honest, if you have clicked on this video in the intention of learning English, then you have come to the right place. But before I dive in, I wanna say huge thank you to them who all are constantly supporting me on this channel. So by the way, in today's video I am going to share 2 or 3 techniques that I personally use or follow to improve my fluency or to learn English, right? So that is why whatever I am going to speak about in this video, all the technique will be very crucial as a beginner learner. So please keep on watching. So first, before I dive into it in the further video, so here I have a question, you guys. Means before you thinking about speaking, so first you have to make sure something that you should know, right? So first of all is grammar. Do you guys know? Actually, this is my question to all of you guys. Do you guys consider that you are knowledgeable about grammar? If the answer is yes, then you can think about next. By the way, some of you guys have a question, Nakul. In grammar, what should I learn, or what all things is necessary to learn? So guys, so at least tense, yes, at least tense, and along with you can know about modal verbs, yes. So modal verbs and tense is the crucial thing as a basic in grammar. So that is why before you thinking about speaking, so first you have to make sure that you are knowledgeable about these things. Next, that is very important. Not just important, it's freaking important. That means guys, without sentence construction, you cannot even make simple sentences, right? So that is why it is very freaking important that you are knowledgeable about sentence construction. By the way, if you guys do not know what is sentence construction, so let's take an example by using, मतलब समझ लो कि आप उतना ही पढ़ा लिखा हो जितना कि मैं हूँ, तो इसको आप ऐसे इंग्लिश कैसे बोलोगे? या फिर मैं आपसे ज़्यादा पढ़ा लिखा हूँ, इसको कैसे बोलोगे? तो इसका एक मतलब एक ऐसा चीज़ होता है जिसके थ्रू ऐसा वाला जितना भी सेंटेंस बोलोगे सारा कुछ ऐसी इसी फ्लो में जो बनेगा, ठीक है? तो ऐसा कुछ जिसे सेंटेंस कंस्ट्रक्शन कहते हैं, और भी बहुत सारी चीज़ें मैं बोलता हूँ जिससे आपको क्लियर हो जाएगा कि हाँ एक्चुअल में ही होता है सेंटेंस कंस्ट्रक्शन, और इसी में कहीं ना कहीं आप लड़खड़ा जाते हो, जिसकी वजह से आप यू कैन नॉट इवन स्पीक इवन सिंपल सेंटेंसेस, राइट? सो दैट इज़ वाई. ओके, सो लेट्स टेक एन एग्जांपल लाइक आई एम एज गुड एज यू, यानी मैं उतना ही अच्छा हूँ जितना आप हो, मैं उतना ही पढ़ा लिखा हूँ जितना कि आप हो. आई एम एज एजुकेटेड एज यू आर, as you are, as educated as you are. So this is kind of a sentence, and you can make sentence similar to this one, right? Yes, so this is called the sentence construction, and this is not only the sentence construction. Similar, you will get to see a lots of sentence construction, but now I don't get my mind right. And such as there are lots of English sentences you can make, such as my shirt is as short as that one, right? So that's kind of English sentences you can make. By the way, I have journaling. In this thing, I have journaling a lot in my copy. Is everything, but words or sentence doesn't come to my mind right now. Actually, there are lots of sentence construction has written into my copy, but now my mind doesn't come to it, right? So by the way, in my upcoming videos I will teach you what all are sentence construction and what should you learn and what all are things that you have to necessary to learn in order for you to learn English, right? So in my upcoming days I will teach you the thing, but right now, so for now मैं चाहता हूँ कि आप इस सेंटेंस का ट्रांसलेशन करके मुझे कमेंट में बताओ. मैं उतना पढ़ा लिखा नहीं हूँ जितना कि आप हो, so I hope कि आप बना दोगे. Okay, so move into the next one. And next, you have to be motivated all throughout the day in the intention of learning English. Do you guys understand what I try to say? No. Actually, I meant to say whatever you are learning or listening or watching in YouTube or on YouTube, you should watch content that you like. But otherwise, if you are not understand even a simple sentences, so I'm sure you are going to demotivate. So, and demotivate is something that can stop your learning English, right? So that is why you also have to make sure that don't watch videos so that's through you get demotivated, right? So that is why watch content that you like, right? And as I do too. And then just after watching the content, if you guys are understand even some sentences, right, in the video, then you have to make similar sentences in your mind, or you have to shadow it, right? You have to shadow them whatever you are understand the meaning of that sentence. And if you are sometimes not sure about the sentence, but you think, yeah, this sentence is very useful, or I can use this sentence, but I struggle to understand, right? So you have to help through Google, and then just after understanding the sentence, then you have to create some similar situation in your brain, right? So that you can understand the sentence better. And I'm sure in the initial phase you are struggling so much, right? But eventually things are gonna shine for you, right? So that is why I would say, guys, initially it will be hard, right? But in upcoming days you are going to enjoy the process. So yeah, that is very important to make similar sentences in your brain whatever you understand the sentence or phrases in the video. And next is last but not the least, and that is reviewing. Reviewing is something, means whatever you are learning today, you have to practice, or you have to see or watch the content at least 5 days constantly, right? Just after watching. But otherwise you are going to forget them, right? So in order for you to make them stronger, so you have to constantly watch or see, right, in your copy at least 5 or 10 days constantly, right? So that you can make it stronger in your brain, right? And also there is one more thing, and that you also have to remember, and that is consistency. Yes, you might have heard the fact, and that is consistency is the key to success, right? So that is why you also have to remember that consistency you have to means follow, right? Okay guys, so that's all for today. And by the way, consistency I also guys follow, as you can see. And by the way, I don't have time to film, right? But also I make time sometimes. And now, as you can see, right now I have come outside from my house. Actually I have come to tie my pets, and just after tying my pets I am filming these videos, right? So that's how you also have to make time to prioritize your time, right? Okay, so that's all for today, and bye bye.